Let's open this tiny treasure chest from the Kingdom of Adorable. It comes with little zip seams. It didn't zip so great, but I don't open too many of these, so I'm probably not the target audience. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, could this be any cuter? Firstly, we've got this adorable little doll with her little tiny ears. This is a very soft material here. Her legs are that same material, weird hands, but okay. The feet are tied into knots. This large tag needs to be torn off. And then her hair is yarn in the back. Look at this little scarf and a little dress. It looks like she can be undressed. Yep, she can. You can undress her. And inside of here, we've got, oh, more surprises. A desk, a little chair. Surprises inside of the desk. The desk lid closes. It has some kind of little locking mechanism. When you push it up, if you push it hard enough, it locks into place and doesn't come down. Let's see what's in these tiny things. A single shoe. I bet there's another shoe in here. Surprise, surprise. One more little present to unwrap. What could it be? How cute. I don't think she can wear shoes because she doesn't have feet. But maybe I'm wrong. This hand is meant to hold something. Aw, cute. Little ones will need some help getting that into that hand. And you also get some little stickers. There's 12 to collect. Better get some.